add this and your animation can instantly go from this to this. So this is our setup. The only thing that we have here is just a detector that turns expanded boolean to true and false when we click. Normally what users do is they create container, then they start defining the container value like width, and we are gonna alternate between two values using the boolean. 200 will be fine. 280. Let's also set height, expanded 80 and 200, and then we can set the color. And we have this, and if we click here it switches between two values. But you see how jumpy it is. Animation needs to be felt, you know, it needs to be smooth. And you know what, let's also add text. If expanded, then you're gonna show the text more data. When the user clicks, the more data text appears, so you can make it into a button. Anyways, to make it smooth, make it fun, we can use something called animated container. Now it is gonna need some parameters, so let's set duration, and if we click, boom, it is smooth. Now we can also add curves because it is too slow, so let's add bounce out. Let's try that. We can also decrease the value. We can also animate the text, so we can use animated opacity, expanded. We're gonna switch between 0, 1, and same duration. Let's add a child text, more text. Let's save it. You see the animation here, and you can add animation on animation and make it smoother and smoother and more funky. Like we can add image here that appears when you click, and we can add filters. So if your user clicks the button, it turns off that filter. There are a lot of possibilities. By the way, there is a better way to set state, so we're gonna talk about that in next video, so make sure to subscribe.